sources of food. Do you know where our food comes from? A large variety of food is available in different forms. These food items come from plants and animals. Food from plants. Most of our food comes from the plants. Plants provide us different types of food such as cereals, fruits, vegetables, pulses and spices. Different parts of plant provide us different types of food. The following figure shows the different parts of plant which provide us the food. Roots. The underground part of the plant is called root. Roots of plants like radish, turnip, carrot, etc. are eaten raw or cooked. Stems. A stem is the main, long, thin part of a plant above the ground. It is a link between the plant's roots, leaves, and flowers. Stems of certain plants are eaten. For example, the stem of sugarcane plant is eaten. Certain plants have underground stems that we eat. Examples are potato, onion, ginger, etc. Leaves. Leaves are called the kitchen of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. Some leaves are eaten by us. A few of them are spinach, lettuce, coriander, mint, etc. Flowers. A flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Flowers of certain plants like cauliflower, broccoli, etc. are also eaten by us. The flowers of certain plants yield spices. The clove is obtained from flowers of Syzygium plant. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits are the parts of the plant in which their seeds are enclosed. A lot of fruits and vegetables are also eaten by us. For example, apple, banana, tomato, peas, etc. Seeds. A seed has a baby plant in it and grows into a new plant. Gram, peas, wheat, beans, etc. are seeds eaten by us. Cumin seeds, pepper and cardamom that we eat as spices are also seeds of different plants. Sprouted seeds are very nutritious. They can be eaten raw as salads or cooked. Activity 1. Take some dry seeds of green gram. Wash and soak them in water for few hours. Drain the water and tie the seeds in a wet cloth. Observe them after 2 days. You will see a small white structure comes out of each seed. This is called the sprout. Food from animals. Like plants, animals also provide us a large variety of food items. Various food products like milk, egg, meat, honey, etc. are animal products. Milk and milk products. Milk is a complete food. It is obtained from animals like cow, buffalo, goat, etc. These animals are called milk-yielding or mulch animals. Products made from milk are known as dairy products. Some common dairy products are discussed below. Paneer, cottage cheese. Common methods of making paneer include adding lemon juice or vinegar to milk. Then the liquid portion of milk is drained off and the solid part forms paneer. This process is called curdling. Cheese, cream, butter, ghee, curd, etc. are various products that are prepared from milk. Meat. Meat refers to the muscles and other parts of an animal's body that people eat. Meat of animals like goat, chicken, fish, etc. is commonly eaten. Eggs. Hen's egg is the most common bird egg eaten in the world. Some people also eat eggs of duck and goose. Honey. Honey is produced by honeybees from the nectar of flowers. Honeybees collect honey in beehives. Honey is a sweet food and is also used in medicines. Food habits of animals. Different animals have different feeding habits. Based on their feeding habits, animals can be divided into three groups: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores, herbivores, herbi, plant, vore, eater, are those animals which eat only plant and plant products. Cow, horse, elephant, sheep, squirrel, etc. are some herbivores. Carnivores, carnivores, carni, meat, vore, eater, are those animals which only eat flesh of other animals. Lion, tiger, eagle, vulture, etc. are some carnivores. Omnivores, omnivores, omni, all, vore, eater, are those animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Bear, crow, dog, human beings, etc. are some omnivores. Scavengers and decomposers. Some carnivores and omnivores like vultures, crows, hyenas, etc. do not kill the animals for food. They eat the flesh of other animals that are already dead. Animals that consume the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Some other organisms feed on and destroy dead plants and animals. These organisms are called decomposers. Fungi and bacteria are examples of decomposers. Both scavengers and decomposers play a very important role in nature. They clean our environment and keep our surroundings clean. Food chain. Plants use the sun's energy to prepare their food. Herbivores eat these plants to obtain energy. A carnivore or omnivore eats the herbivores as its food. This feeding relationship between animals is called a food chain. Thus, food chain shows the process of eating and being eaten up. It also shows the interdependence of organisms on each other. All food chains start with producers, that is, green plants. Thus, all animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for food. Thus, a simple food chain can be given as producer, plants, primary consumer, goat, secondary consumer, human or lion. Another example of a typical food chain is given below: water plant, pond snail, fish, kingfisher. Take the correct option. Write T for true and F for false statements.
Fill in the blanks.